Good morning. Are you ready to go to Florida? I'm ready to start packing. We have to leave in 2.5 hours. And I still have to take a shower and pack. Yay!
Well, that's what I was looking at, Jacksonville's temperature. That's what.
No, we're in the car going to the airport. Going to Florida. What? We're gonna go visit my sister, so that's gonna be fun. It's funny because there's like no traffic and there's usually all this traffic, so we're like, oh, we're going so quick. But it's 3:21 and you said our flight is at 5:07? 5:07?
Yep.
2 hours. I think we can make it, maybe. There are a bunch of children here that have safety patrol like sashes on, and there's like 40, 50 of them. No, there's more like 40. James Bond. No, but oh my god, it was so funny. Ah, they're leaving. Oh my. Go! You can do it! Go! My family left me to go buy food. Oh no. Yeah, they're just like, here, do you mind just sitting here watching all of our stuff to make sure it's all fine and dandy? Yeah, it's all fine and dandy, you're good. So I'm just sitting here kind of like, yeah, fun. I have a little airport to stare at, so that's kind of cool. We are lucky that we are able to get seats right here, like they're just 3 in a row. And it's less full now. When we got here, it was filled though. But now the flight that was taking up all this area is boarding, so we're good. But we still 2 hours. It's 2 hours to wait, but you know, better to get there early than late. The worst thing about going to Florida right now is that right now Playlist Live is going on. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a big the East Coast version of VidCon. It's a YouTube convention hosted by District Lines and stuff, and it's super cool. And it starts on Friday, and we're getting there Saturday night, and it's gonna be 2 hours away from where we're gonna be. I'm like, really? Couldn't we? Oh my gosh, it makes me so sad. But maybe at one point in my life I'll actually go there. Maybe. Actually, I'd rather go to VidCon than Playlist Live because there's more people that goes there. But still, just want to go to one, please, once. And VidCon this year, it was in August, and I'm free in August. That just makes me sad because I still can't go. Tears. My mom just told me a story, and I'm like, would you like to tell my audience what you just saw? And she goes, no, I'm talking to Tara, and calls my sister. What she said was she came back with water, and she said, okay, by now I've already seen one boy who threw up all over his pants, she's telling it now, and another kid about my sister's age, around 13, that had a clear plastic shower cap on his head. And I was like, lice? She goes, no, I think he just did it because he wanted to.
38, all ticketed and confirmed.
We were just telling the same story at the same time, and my sister's sitting here kind of like, people, stories. Can I borrow your pretzel? Hand rolling soft pretzels 25 years ago. Those are really old pretzels then. Why? The seats that we have right now, my mom is sitting right behind me, and my sister. Yes, Mom? Cool, I can do that. Phone's turned off. And my sister's sitting across from us, so we're all alone, but you know, it's cool. Me and the camera, all having fun.
Gentlemen, this time we will ask.
This is what a thunderstorm looks like from above. That's so cool. We had a bit of turbulence, but nothing that bad. We just need to go around until we can find a good way to land, so there's no safety concerns, but we're fine. This is so cool. We have landed, and now we're on a moving floor. It's super exciting. If I wasn't used to technology, I'd be going crazy right now. No, the lady who's sitting next to me just started asking me about, so I was reading one of the Doctor Who books, like basically the fan fiction that the professionals write. It's kind of funny. floor stopped moving. And she asked me like, how's Doctor Who? And she's like a teacher who, and one of her students is a Doctor Who fan. And I was like, oh yeah, let's talk about this. And right when it lands too, it's like, oh darn. I could have talked for hours about it. The dragonflies are leading me to the bathrooms. Guys, look at this. It's so cool. Right on the luggage stuff. So cool. It's all the way over there. It's a snail, it's a snail, it's a cutie snail. Oh my god. Hey. Tara stole my camera. She wants to see how it feels to vlog.
I already have 2 likes. I didn't even finish tagging people.
Don't put your hand on top because there's not the mic on top. No. It's always with what's
this one's mine.
It's the first alert is instinct. We're at Panera because we're having fun. Awesome. I've actually, yeah, we're so original. I've never had Panera before. I've always like didn't really like it that much, but I'm seeing this and now I'm kind of like, ooh, tasty.
It says hi everyone.
Hi. It's raining and lightning outside. Oops. But we're safe inside the Panera with our sister over here.
Oh.
Ooh. Get in the car. Ah, raining. Okay, bye. Hi, Brock. How you been? Haven't seen you in a while. Hi, Murphy. How you been? Haven't seen you in a while. You obviously have been having fun because you ripped up some stuff, didn't you? Yeah. Whoa. Bad doggies. That's not too good. There's like a whole pile of beads right here. Like a huge pile. Big dogs are big. Oh. Look at the family tree. Now, if you look at it closely, you'll see that every family member here is a model, and we've never met them. But we have a great family. Brock and Murphy, they're dogs. This is little Murphy. The other one is Brock. Say hi, Murphy. You little cutie. That one's Brock. Hi. They rip through toys a lot, apparently. Brock was my sister's dog in college, and then he stayed with her dad, and then they got little Murphy here, and then they took Brock later, and now they have 2 puppies. And it's weird because Brock's like crazy all over the place. He's like the calm dog compared to Murphy. I mean, again, Murphy's younger, but she's also bigger and stronger than him, so it's kind of like, whoa, this is weird. But Murphy likes to do this thing where she like crawls through your legs, and it's really weird. Murphy, do it. I want to show him. Do it. Okay. We'll get her to do it at some point, maybe, on camera. Come on. Walk through someone's legs. I want to ride you like a horse. She won't do it because you have the vacuum. Oh, wait. There you go. Yep, she does that all the time. Do you like it outside, Brock? Do you guys like it?
Let's
play with the limbo stick.
Let's play stick fetch. Hey, this is mine.
Play limbo.
Come here. I'll go in the light.
Somebody's gonna think you're hitting the dogs.
Come on, get it. Get the stick.
Come here, Murphy.
Here.
Yeah, you chew that stick apart. You're gonna break it.
Chew it real good. Come here, I got muddy hands because of you guys.
Oh, gross.
You want to play with it?
What? Oh god, it's coming for me.
Brock!
Hey, what are you
get
doing? You're so cute. Just chilling. So you get tired easily because you're an old man. Little 4-year-old. Oh, hey. Intrusive, you want to be the star, don't you? Oh, now Brock's like, wait, but I was on the camera. Shitty patootie, I want to let you rest.
One day.
Me and Brock had a little heart-to-heart. We talked about ourselves. A hound to human.
Down.
It was nice.
Lie down.
Are you aware that your head is on my foot, dog?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure.
Down. I want him to lie down.
How you doing, puppy? Oh my god, Oh snap. How you doing, puppy? You good? You good? Are you gonna lay in here? You gonna lay in here? In case that there are no more events happening in this day, I'm going to give you all a good night. Have a good day.
You just watched a vlog that Kira made. You followed her, but not in the creepy way. Maybe she stayed at home or went to school or went somewhere else and did something really cool. Cause she's crazy and she's silly and has lots of weird friends. You'll hear this song after every vlog ends. Cause you just watched a vlog that Kira made. You can even subscribe